Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at different types of multimedia contributions, or multimedia notes. In this first one, named Photosynthesis and Chlorophyll, this is simply an embedded YouTube video. We had taken a look at this earlier. So here you go to YouTube and copy the embed code into the note. Please check out that YouTube video to learn more about embedding videos. I'll hit the back button to go back to the view. Right below that, you'll notice that I have 3 notes that each have a paper clip. That means that they each contain attachments. So let's check out the note named "Do Purple Plants Have Less Chlorophyll?" So this note has an inline attachment to an audio file. So I'll click on that link and I'll click download and open. When looking at the plants, I noticed that the plants are different colors. So I wonder if the purple plant has maybe less chlorophyll than the more green plants. What do you think? And now I can hit the back button. And I'll hit the back button one more time, and we'll check out the next one. So, Introduction to Potted Plants. So here I'll click the cloud with the downward arrow to download this video file. And I'll click download and open.
Here I'm recording just a quick little video. These are some plants I just got, and we'll upload these to Knowledge Forum in 1 second.
And I'll just hit the back button, and that back button was in the top left corner on my screen, but that button might be elsewhere on other devices. So I'll hit the back button one more time, and we'll check out that last multimedia note. So the last one is, why do leaves wither? Okay, here we'll see that there's a picture along with some text. So again, to view this picture, I'll just click that cloud and click download and open. And this one is talking about withered leaves. You can see at the bottom there are 2 kind of browned leaves. So this way I can take a look at what's being discussed in the note. So I'll hit the back button there to go back to the note. And here I can take a closer look at that the text. So why or how do leaves wither? Please see the image below, which shows 2 leaves withering. And so if I wanted to build onto this, as with any of those, I could just click on that build on button. But in this case, I'll just hit the back button and we'll go back to the view. So I hope this has given you some ideas about how you can use multimedia. I'll create more videos talking to you about how we can create video and audio notes. Hope to see you in the next video.